Exposing the secret life of pets. Ever wondered what they're really thinking? What if animals could talk? Picture this. You're on a walk and your dog suddenly says, "Hey, can we take a detour to the park? I have a squirrel to settle a score with." Or you're chilling at home and your cat drops a truth bomb. You call this kibble? I call it a tragedy. Imagine the endless debates over who's the goodest boy, and don't even get me started on the birds. They'd probably be gossiping about the neighbors all day long. Ponder the possibilities. Would your fish finally reveal their thoughts on your choice of aquarium decor, or would your hamster demand a wheel upgrade? The conversations would be endless and oh so entertaining. So next time you look at your pet and wonder what they're thinking, just imagine the hilarious and insightful chats you could be having. Comment, like, and subscribe for tomorrow's crazy What If.